Good morning, student. I am Priyanka, and today we are going to do our question answers of the starting point. So let's start our question answers. So first of all, we have to choose the correct answers to complete these sentences. So number 1 is on finishing 6th, Milkha Singh was overwhelmed with joy by A. The promise of a sporting career. B. All the cheering from friends and strangers alike. C. The happiness that he was bringing his family. So answer is number B. All the cheering from friends and strangers alike. Question number 2. Milkha Singh was surprised that he was chosen to run the 400-meter event because A. He had never before run a 400-meter race. B. He had not completed his training. C. He did not win the cross-country race. So answer is number A. He had never before run a 400-meter race. So question number 3. The Eureka moment helped him A. decide that he wanted to run for India and make his country proud. B. Plan before for the Olympics. C. Decide to join the sports academy. So answer is number A. Decide that he wanted to run for India and make his country proud. Now question number 4. Milkha Singh was not disheartened that he came fourth in the 400-meter event because A. He had run the race with India's best athletes. B. He had ensured his place on the 4x400 relay team. Number C. There is no place for disappointment in sports. So answer is number A. He had run the race with India's best athletes. Now question number 5. Milkha Singh practiced every night because A. He was not allowed to practice during the day. B. He wanted to be a champion in 400-meter race. C. He was forced to do so by his regiment leader. So answer is number B. He wanted to be a champion in the 400-meter race. So that's why he was practicing every night. So let's do our question answers. Question number B and answer these followings. Answer these questions. So number 1 is, what was the big treat that Milkha Singh looked forward to? Why does he call it a big treat? So answer is, the big treat that Milkha Singh looked forward to was getting a glass of milk every day during the training period. He calls it big treat because his childhood was filled with want and deprivation. Question number 2. Luck was with me that day. Do you think it was merely luck that helped Milkha Singh that day? Why or why not? So answer is no. It was not merely luck. He only gave his best and tried hard to run. I think his daily practice in the night, even after long days of work and determination, helped him. Now question number 3. Who was Gurudev? Why was Milkha Singh so grateful to him? So answer is, Gurudev was the instructor in the army. He trained new recruits, but he was a good runner himself. Milkha Singh was grateful to him because Gurudev constantly pushed and motivated the trainers to run fast. His guidance inspired him. Okay. Now number 4. So running a quarter mile was far too easy. Why did the speaker find it so easy to run a quarter mile? Why then did he continue to train hard? What did this practice help him achieve? The speaker was used to running 6 miles every day. That's why running a quarter miles was easy. He continued to practice for many days to improve his time. This practice helped him improve his running time. Okay. Now question number 5. They had an air of power and prestige about them. Who was the speaker talking about? Why did these people have an air of power and prestige about them? So answer is, the speaker was talking about the athletes when he saw during the brigade meet. These athletes represented India in international sporting events. They had an air of power and prestige about them because they were the best athletes in the country. Number 6. What rule of thumb did Milkha Singh follow in practicing for the 400-meter race? Why did he call it a rule of thumb? So answer is, Milkha Singh's rule of thumb was to run one round at the highest speed possible, rest for a while, then run another one. He called it general idea that he was using to practice instead of any specific techniques. So question number 7. How did Milkha Singh's meeting with Brigadier S.P. Vora change his life? The answer is, Milkha Singh was doing his regular practice round at night. That time he was spotted by the Brigadier S.P. Vora. He was impressed and gave him more time to practice, better facilities, a nutritious diet, and special attentions for his grooming. These innumerable opportunities allowed him to fulfill his dream of running for India. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you, class.